Hi guys, Simple Techniques here. This is a follow-up video regarding the verification of the storage if ever you bought one, like a USB or a storage device that is like 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, 4 terabytes, whatever. So on this example, I bought a 32 GB SanDisk USB 3.0 drive. So what you need to do is first, I'll show you the PC. This PC has, this laptop has 2 storages. So now I'm going to plug my USB. And remember, if you bought a USB 3.0, you plug it on the right port, which is also the USB port for 3.0. Otherwise, you will never reach the speed that was advertised. So for my case, speed on advertisement is 130 Mbps. So now you can see on the screen, I bought a 32 GB, so it's reflected as 28.6 GB. So if you notice, it already has a content because I formatted this USB to be used as a Windows bootable drive. So now what we need to do is we open up Crystal Disk Mart. So once you've opened up Crystal Disk Mart, what you need to do is you have to find the drive. So my drive C is my main boot drive, drive D is for storage of whatever games I have, and then drive E, this is the one that we're going to test. This is the USB that I bought recently. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to press all to test all the parameters. So this may take some time, so let's press this now. Alright guys, so it's done. So as you can see, the advertised speed is 130, and you can see here that the test shows 132 Mbps. MB per second. So it's according to advertisement. So this is how you want to test your storage if in case you bought one. It's very important for you to know how to test and to test if you bought a storage, so that you can confirm whether what you bought is correct or not. Okay, hope you find this helpful. Thank you guys.